My background is an automotive mechanic. I started in the automotive industry when I was 16 and have worked in it ever since. So I have 17 years in the automotive industry. Innovation has been something that is always at the forefront of my mind, to be able to keep up with the latest technologies and what's happening in the automotive world as well, because it is rapidly changing week by week, and obviously technologies with renewables and alternative fuel vehicles as well. I'm proud that we have brought something different to the Mackay region, where we don't have a lot of variety, and we do have a lack of rental vehicles here in Mackay, and a lot is aimed more towards the mining industry. So to be able to provide something alternative for tourism, as well as local people wanting to try something different, is a great thing for our region. It is obviously a hard step to take those first few steps, but knowing that over a longer period of time, you're making a difference and educating, as well as trying technologies, so you're not going to be scared of the new stuff that comes out. And the battery packs, which is what a lot of people are scared of, can be disassembled, repaired and reinstalled back into the vehicle. So it's not always just a whole battery pack that might fail. It could be just one cell in a module. The good thing with electric vehicles as well is that the battery packs are fully recyclable. About 98% of the battery pack can be recycled back into materials that go back into a new battery, for example. I think it's probably a lot of education, more so than anything else. More information being available, and that's probably how we went about our business itself. Was we tried things out, we tested them before we made any commitment to purchasing and investing into electric vehicles as well. It is a scary thing for business to try innovative technologies, but there are a group of local experts here in Mackay that do great things like renewable carports, holding 10 kilowatts worth of solar panels, which would be more than enough to charge an electric vehicle every day, essentially, without having the cost other than the infrastructure. I think fear is a big thing, which is also why we have invested in training to be able to repair these vehicles when they come out of warranty as well. So we have fully qualified electric vehicle technicians. We keep up with every bit of training that comes through on all the new vehicles, and we have invested in the ability to be able to access factory data and software as well for being able to repair vehicles, which is a big thing for us. I think to educate people that they don't need to use a public charging station, they can charge at home. A 50-kilometre round trip, for example, might only use 10% of the battery with air conditioning and even, sitting there waiting for somebody. So the vehicles don't use anywhere near as much power as what people think. And knowing that you can recharge on renewables at home, reducing your fuel costs would probably be that magic wand moment, so people know that it isn't doom and gloom, that it's quite an easy thing to live with every day.